What if we told you buying this home is like owning two, a one-of-a-kind residence that combines two one-bedroom units into one expansive single-level home with both northern and southern exposures? You will wake up to sunrises over the Hudson River and wind down with sunsets behind the New York City skyline. Inside is double the luxury: two wood-burning fireplaces, two private balconies, two deeded parking spaces, and a sleek entertainer's bar that is just waiting for your next gathering. The open concept kitchen flows effortlessly into the living and dining areas, making it ideal for hosting or simply enjoying a quiet evening in style. And the best part? With two separate deeds, this home offers rare flexibility, keeping as one luxurious residence. Split it into two for multi-generational living, or create two high-end investments. So, what will you choose?